She loves to be scratched.
Gosh. That's pathetic.
You goofball.
Her eyes are rolled back in her head.
That felt good.
You just smile for us. You smiling? You smiling?
You fall over.
Wow.
What a goof.
She loves a good back scratch.
What a goof.
Good.